First time outside with Mama. Well, first time outside period, but milk, we want a milk? Oh, let me see. I think that this is Mr. Black. And then we have Blue. He wants food, like Iggy also. He's pink. Mr. Green. And there Mr. Gray. We have so they can go down. Need to still put the net next to it, but once they have to go out potty during the night, I just can open the door, put them outside. Okay. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Bye.